Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my content blogger review. And you can see now already logged into software, everything got over here. So in this video, I give you a full demo how does it work. And if you know content blogger, but you're not sure what is the price, how does it work, and you want to see more detail, in this video here, I will cover everything you need to know. Okay, and in a nutshell, this is a software that will help you rewrite any content or any website content that you can rewrite it to your content. Okay, so I understand that if you are writing, it takes a lot of time to complete a blog, right? So in this software, it will help you write very fast, just a few clicks. Then you have a unique content you can share for your you can post on your website or anyway. So if you worry about if that's good SEO, if that's good content, so this is my answer. Okay, so with this software, once you rewrite the blog to your content, the content will be great SEO. Great SEO that you don't need to worry about the Google ban or something like that. The content you write is 100% unique. Okay, and alright, so before I go to the folder, I also prepared a ton of custom bonus that I would like to get you. So all you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this. Then you can click to any red button here. You go to the sales page of the content blog in here, and you click to any button here, and you are good to go. Okay, so right now let's see a little bit in the sales page right here. So this is the sales page. So you see here, this is 3 steps to do. Okay, first step is fire up this bad boy, and step 2 impress a button. Step 3 sell 100% organic unlimited and readable content. And this is the power and the intelligent software that will rewrite any piece of content. And you can, with just a click of your mouse, you will have 100% unique content. And that's search engineer and especially Google will love. This means the better ranking. Okay, this is mean better ranking. And here it's easy to use. This effect, the software is so easy to use that even newbie can use this without getting. You see here, it's very easy to use right here. I'll show you just a little bit later. And turn any video into content. That's right. Will content to be you are push up a button away from the transcription any video into the article. 100% Copyscape-passed content to be create content that's unique for search engine. You will pass a Copyscape test, multiple screen of content. Okay, and this is not only turn any content to your content, that this also turn any video that they have transcript. You can turn any video that to your article. Then this is 100% unique and for search engine optimization. Okay, so you don't need to worry about Google ban or people who say that it's a copyrighted. Do not worry about that. Okay, this 100% unique for your website. Okay, so this simply you just enter to your any computer that you can use. Okay, and you see here, this is the right content yourself. You don't have time to do that, and hire content writers. Some of them can be very expensive, and buy unless article speaker that's product grabber and unbreakable content, a poor choice as less. So that's the something you need to choose this software, okay? And down here, a lot of things here, you know, no fees in the payment content writer. This is only one-time fees. Now time was correct mistake from writer and a lot of more. Okay, and that's everything you're gonna need. You see, in target Copyscape tracker and multiple SEO optimization option. Speed tool ready, 100% readable content, newbie friendly, easy way to generate article, 100% SEO friendly content. You see, this is everything you need to do, because if you write yourself, it takes a lot of time, and you are think about everything that's you lost a lot of time, and you want to hire some people to do that, you still need to spend some money. So in this software, how you do everything, okay? So right now, let's dive ahead to the software. You can see right here, when you write here, there are 3 options right here, very easy to use, okay? So when you click to the block right here, then where you can enter any keyword right here. You can enter any keyword you want, okay? Example, I say that's travel in India, or guide travel to India. Or you might searching for affiliate marketing or digital marketing or any niche. Yeah, you can search for any keyword that you have. Then you click search. Then this is search it, hold the content in the left side right here, and then you can click on there. You have hold the content on here. Then what you need to do, you make article. Then you will have very unique content like this, and you can copy this and you put on your website. Okay, it's really easy to do and very simple. You see the word here is very easy to read and easy to understand as well. It's really powerful. Okay, and if you click to the video, this is also the same. Okay, you can enter any video. Okay, you go to the Google, then you choose the video have the CC, this is transcription right here, and then you copy the link. Okay, you copy the link and you go to the software, you just pick over here and you hit search and you are good to go. Then you just click to make article, then you have unique article where you can share on your website or anywhere. Okay, that's very powerful, the software. And this is the option here. This is the option this is the not record by that, but two main one here. This is the 2 main of the software. Okay, that's very powerful, the software. Okay, so this is everything about the software, guy. In this video is I talk about everything right here. And I also put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to get you if you choose the product will help you out. So what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page, would look like this. Then you go down here. Okay, you go down here, you will see this is my bonuses. Okay, this is my bonuses. So bonus number 1 I give for you today is a video marketing profit case. So in this bonus, I will show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. Okay, this is very high bonus that I would like to get you, because you know that right now every business need a video. Okay, you see any website right now that have videos. So video marketing is really very high convert. And then bonus number 2 here, I will show you the new way to rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. This is the powerful. Okay, if you know, if you have the software with this my bonus, you 100% can green your way. Okay, and this I show you right number 1 on Google. And then bonus number 3 here, this is a tutorial that I will show you how to earn $10,000 in the click funnel. Okay, click funnel is the best platform to do affiliate right now. Okay, so this is a case study that I want to show you. And a bonus number 4 here, this is YouTube list. So this will show you how to use and this plugin to engage your YouTube video and increase your Gmail list. Okay, and the bonus number 5, this is SEO keyword mastery. Okay, this I show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. Okay, every business need SEO, every affiliate need SEO. If you have the software with hold my bonus here, that's how you go faster. Okay, so how you need to do now, click the very first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page, and click to any red button here, you go to the sale page, and you can click to any button here and you are good to go. Okay, and right, so after you post the product, how will you access to my bonus, right? How will you access to my bonus right here, right? So after you post the product, you go to the WordPress and you go to the history product you already post. You click to the button called Asset Affiliate Bonus. Then you access to hold my high quality bonus that I promised to you right in this video. Okay. So right, so that's the my bonus. So right now, let's see what is the price, right? So the price for this only $17. Okay, this is the price early. Okay, if after if you come here before my countdown time here, okay, my countdown time here hit 0, you will need to pay for the $23. But this special time right here, I will offer you, and this is software will offer you only $17. Okay, that's really cheap. I think that's really cheap because you can imagine that you hire somebody to do to write content for you. The cheapest is $5 for one article. Okay, then you need to more article. It's not only hire people to 1 day or 2 days. You need article every month for your website. So if you put the product and you have the software, you can write any content anytime you want. Okay, that's really powerful, and especially for you if you are not an English speaker like me. I hate to write in English as well because my English is not perfect, my grammar not perfect. So in this software will help you do everything that, and just few clicks you have unique content that's good SEO optimization for yourself. Your Google gonna love your content. Okay, alright guys, so make sure you come here before my countdown time. You get the special offer that only $17. Okay, and you also access to hold my bonus. And this product gonna be launched in the let's see, this product gonna be launched in the 14th November. So by right now I'm making this video is the 11th November. Okay, so this product gonna be launched in 14th November. So make sure you come here before my countdown time hit 0. You access to whole high quality bonus right here. Right, so if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click to the bell icon. If you have any question, leave a comment below. I love to answer your question. And right now I will see you in another video. Bye.